We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is Nutribullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The Nutribullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the Nutribullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is Nutribullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the Nutribullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The Nutribullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The Nutribullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. Nutribullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
With a 3 horsepower motor, the Tempest is loaded with features and built for performance. Our patented wave action system forces the mixture down into the blade, breaking ice down from a granita texture into a creamy drink profile. 2 speeds, along with the pulse function and timer, enable operators to create any texture desired, while the jump cycle first breaks down ice chunks at a lower speed and then jumps to high in order to finish your drink to perfection. The Tempest is built to last through repeated uses and applications over time. A jar pad sensor will turn the motor off when the jar is not in place to prevent careless clutch grinding and extend the life of the jar. The temperature gauge alerts you before the motor overheats, preventing unnecessary burnout. A cool-down cycle ensures that the motor is ready to continue. The rugged stainless steel construction of the blade and motor drive coupling mean increased reliability and longevity. In fact, Hamilton Beach Commercial is so confident in their performance that we offer a lifetime warranty for both. Plus, we offer 3 years parts and labor on the unit. We know you value cleanliness. Simply remove the jar pad to reveal the all-metal motor drive coupling in the flat-sealed surface, which is designed to make the Tempest fast and easy to clean. Available worldwide, the Tempest is more good thinking from Hamilton Beach Commercial. To find out more about our products, warranties, and any other technical information, visit our website at hamiltonbeachcommercial.com.